Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and sexy NFT investor. That's what I'm going with tonight. And I am feeling sexy because we have got triple rewards for our Dega. I don't know if you understood what I said. We are getting triple rewards. We've already got them. That's what we're gonna go over in this video. So I wanna say personally, thank you to the Dega team, and it's been awesome. So the idea behind ISPOs is that you can help support new projects that are coming out, and you get rewarded for doing that. So instead of delegating and just earning ADA, in this case, we've been earning Dega. So comment down below, check out your rewards. We're gonna go over mine, and it's been awesome. So this is gonna be a tutorial as well. So I will go step by step in this video, how you can find your stake key, and I'll give you some tips on that. So this is ending soon, this ISPO, but we've been covering this for a while. So I'm gonna go to the calculator app, and I've already done a basic idea of it, but yeah, let's dive right into this video. So before we get started, I just wanna remind you to smash the like button if you like this video. Maybe even smash the like button and comment down below. I have 300 Dega tokens. I'm getting 450,000. You know, I have people messaging me in the Discord. We're having great chats, and we're talking about what's going on in this space as well. So it's always exciting. So today we are December 17th, 2023, and there's only a couple of epochs left. So for those of you that don't know, when you are participating in an ISPO, it's an initial stake pool offering. Basically, to make a long story short, you delegate your ADA, you sign a transaction, and your funds can stay on your wallet, and you can participate in an ISPO, initial stake pool offering, and you earn a little bit of the new Cardano supply. In this case, some ISPOs, some nodes that you delegate to, you will receive an alternative token of a project that didn't come out yet. In this case, it is Dega, and if you were in early, congratulations. So that's what we're going over in this video. I hope that makes sense. So this was announced, and I believe I did a video on it. I'm not sure. But now the wallets have been updated. So it was for Epoch 454. Just remember that it takes a couple of epochs for things to show. To make a long story short, holiday cheer from Dega. We've got a special treat for our amazing Cardano community. Starting at the end of Epoch 454, your Dega rewards are going to be tripled in our ISPO. So this is what I was talking about previously, and it's also in the Discord here. So this is really cool to see. You want to get into ISPOs because you never know when things like this happen. It happened with Meld where you got a Diamond Hands NFT. It was airdropped to you. So in the future, Dega, they can always look back and they can be like, hey, they participated and supported us. We want to give them this. So it's always worth it, right? This doesn't always happen in the case of, not to bash on Genius X, but I was in their multi-token ISPO. It didn't pan out the best. It was great. It was a good experience. It's what allowed me to be able to teach you all and help you get into other ISPOs. But to make a long story short, this has been an incredible ISPO. And who knows, if this project comes out and it's at 5 cents, 10 cents, you could be talking about tens of thousands of dollars just for delegating to a pool. Very simple. So there's more information here. Perhaps we'll get into it at the end. Let's calculate our reward. So what you're going to need is a pen and paper. I'm just kidding. You're going to need to copy and paste your stake key. So with your Cardano address, let's pull up one of my NAMIs. If we go here, you do not want to copy your public address. You need your stake key. So what you're going to do is copy your public address. Then you're going to go to Cardano Scan, I believe it's called. Once you're there, paste your public address, search, in your stake key, your controlled stake key, copy that. And what I do is I have a list on my notes app. So right here, I have all my stake keys for all my different wallets. So you can use multiple wallets for, say you're getting into the Jupe aggregator because their token hasn't come out yet, which, I recommend to, do some activity on there as well. The point is just have it copy and pasted for later use. So it's a good idea. So the next step is to go to dega.org. Okay, dega.org. Perhaps I'll have it in the description below. So if we go here to ISPO, go to rewards dashboard. So we're going to close out of these. And if you go to this page, you can see the Dega accumulated rewards. So it's quite a bit now. What is that? 195 mil. So currently there's 21 million live stake. This is just for Cardano. So we're getting a big part of the supply. So guys, I talked about this a long time ago. I wonder if it's on the channel. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I made this channel. I'm not sure if it was in the white paper or not, but if you go here, and by the way, I was just 12 days ago only at about 60,000 Dega. I'm going to share with you the number, but I have significantly more now. Okay. So the highest was about 61,000, but if you type in Dega, you can see 5 months ago when we were in this, like I was showing you guys how to do this. 6 months ago, we were in there early. And the thing about some ISPOs is it's kind of like an ICO or public offering. You get first access to the tokens, but the beautiful thing is you get a big chunk of the supply. So I don't know what the exact numbers are. Perhaps we can find it on the white paper. I'll take a look. But let's say it's between 10 and 20% of all the supply of Dega. If it's being sent to ISPO participants, then you want to capture some of that. It's free. You're getting in early. And by the time it gets on a centralized exchange, you have the opportunity to make gains for free. So that's the power of crypto. So let's add up these rewards. So I pasted right here. You just paste your address. I've already done it with my different wallets. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my total. And right now I'm not even holding a lot of ADA. In fact, I've moved a lot into Kopi and into Iagon, other projects. So let's add it up. So even here you can see live stake. My highest live stake is like 2,000 ADA on these particular wallets. So this one, actually, if we do the drop down, look at this. Holliday Bonus, 97,390 Dega. So if this project comes out at 5 cents, that's $5,000. And that's not out of the norm with cryptocurrencies. So you can own a digital asset that you can then leverage and deploy onto dApps, get into decentralized exchanges, and in this case, be able to delegate your Cardano and earn some of the new supply. In this case, we're earning some Dega. Beautiful. This is what we're getting loose. This is what we're getting loose about. So we're going to add that up. 149,389 plus 8,891 plus 29,062 plus 159 plus 965 plus 3,861 plus 368 plus 1,468 plus 924. That brings us to 195,087 Dega. The moose is loose. We got a loose moose on our hands. So again, I do genuinely want to say thank you to the Dega team. I've been making some content, hopefully getting some more people involved. Let's say, we probably got, who knows, maybe we got a couple mil worth of ADA delegated because of the channel. Who knows? But that's the beautiful thing, right? So I'll give you another example. Maybe I'm going to screenshot that actually for the thumbnail so I remember. So that is dope, right? The other thing is, if we go to pool.pm, this could happen in the future as well. Here's one of my wallets. If you want to see what the Moose is up to, follow $Thai.ADA. So all you have to do is search Thai.ADA or Reg Cape. You can see my bubble jets. But more importantly, this was from the Meld ISPO. I recommend checking out that project. You may like it. So this is an NFT that was airdropped to me because I participated in the ISPO. It was in the first epoch. So if we go to JPEG Store, which is the largest marketplace for ADA, all we're going to do is type in Meld. So now there are two NFTs. One actually has utility. We'll get into that in future videos, but it's 100 ADA, right? Completely free. Looks cool. So I was able to mint 5 of them because I had 5 wallets. And this particular NFT, it shows that I'm an OG, so I can connect it to my Discord, have specific roles. And what's even cooler is it's worth, $200-300. At one point, this thing was worth like $1,000. So, just something to think about. Dega is doing a great job. Also, if you guys go over here, check out the elements. You guys can check out their products in the Dega studio, etc. So one final note, I do want to encourage you all to do your research, check out other ISPOs. This one is basically done. I don't recommend getting in anymore. Maybe you can. It's just, it's not going to be worth it. You're only going to get like maybe 1 or 2 epochs left. So check out other ones. Friendly reminder, right now we are Sunday, December 17th, 12:40 a.m. On December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC, you can connect your NAMI or other wallet to this link. So go to JPEG Store, type in Crypto Moose, and this is where you're going to mint the Loose Moose NFT. So go like so. Go under minting. So all you're going to do is connect your wallet, and you will be able to mint up to 5 Loose Moose NFTs. This will give you the potential to receive airdrops. The first giveaway will be a bubble jet, and from there we're going to give away tokens. So when I do interviews with other, perhaps a decentralized exchange CEOs, etc., maybe if Charles comes on, we can give you, maybe we can send you one of his cattle from his ranch. Who knows, right? The Moose has done stranger things. So definitely do that. We also have links to hardware wallets. So I got one plugged in. Also, I do recommend if you are using hardware wallets and if you're not currently using it, maybe unplug it. So it's just a good idea. Try not to be connected to the internet too much, but save up to 25% off hardware wallets. So I've done videos on the channel. Just type in Trezor, Ledger, type in hardware wallets. I compare them all. We also have online courses. So we have a free Cardano mini course. People have been loving that course. I have it on Udemy as well. So it's free on Udemy. Go to Udemy and type in Mitchell Bouchard or Cardano course. You'll find it, and it's starting to get some good reviews. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Comment down below. How many Dega did you get? How many Dega are you at? I will not be insulted. I may get a little pissed off that you have more Dega than me, but it's okay. No need to worry. The Moose is trapped in his office, so I'm not going to attack. All right. Love you all. Bye.